Strengthening Faith 54. I had a thought which I wanted to share. If a person was hired for a specific job, such as painting a house, they are highly unlikely to receive their wages if they decide to do another duty, such as hoovering the house. Even though what they decided to do is not bad, but as they have chosen to do a job they were not hired for, they will undoubtedly displease their employer. This is simple to understand and accept. Similarly, a Muslim has been commanded to fulfill the commands set out in the Holy Quran and the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. But if they decide to do something else and neglect this duty irrespective of if the thing they decide to do is lawful, such as pursuing the excess of this material world beyond their needs, doing actions which are different from what have been prescribed in the two divine sources, or simply unlawful, they should not expect to please Allah, the Exalted, as He has made it clear what Muslims should be doing. The same way an employee who decides to do something different should not expect to receive their wages, neither should a Muslim who decides to strive for anything other than what they have been told to strive for by Allah, the Exalted. The wages in the case of the Muslim include blessings, mercy, and the forgiveness of Allah, the Exalted, in both worlds. Simply put, if a Muslim desires to obtain these wages, they must do their job and not busy themselves with other things which either contradicts their duty or things which are different from their duty. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shakepod.com.